Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. One quick video here on Aapl and Ulta. Just some support areas just in case if this thing starts to fall tomorrow. You have a gap fill right around 114.06. You are at the window right now holding. The last price was at, let's see, looks like 114.95 after hours. Yeah, so we're right in between this. So let's see if we can continue down to this little double bottom area, this blue line 250 retrace, and this 50 MA at 111.93. Let's see if we get there. That wouldn't be a bad area, but if it could push down to 110 or so, a couple more bucks, that would be even better for a pierce and then possibly a bounce. If it continues down, then we're looking at fill and gap fill like around 107.89. I don't think we'll make it there, but I guess you never know. If some more good or earnings come out on tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, I'm not sure what comes out on Friday, but Thursday's a big day with Amazon and Google. If those come out bad, I think Apple and everything else is going to start falling pretty quickly. Let's look at the weekly on this one real quick. Weekly, we are going to have support, yeah, 106. So if it goes down to 109, yeah, 110 is a pretty good area if it continues. Then the 111.36. But let's take it one step at a time. I'm going to do a live session tomorrow, say around noon New York time and 9 o'clock AZ time. And let's try to figure out where these markets are going. I want to look at one more today, which was Ulta. Man, let me tell you, this one, unbelievable. You know, as a trader, I've been there, done that. Everybody, we shorted right here, 266.32. I put the alert out there. I told everybody in my videos. Everyone laughed at me. It's Ulta. They're the best, blah, blah, blah. And boom, right back down. We are into support. If you are a bull on Ulta, it needs to hold this area big time. If the markets start breaking down, you're going to gap fill right around 238. And like my goal was 228.62. We just missed it. If this area breaks, that's exactly where we're going. And I still believe we're going to 219.44. And ultimately, this big gap fill right here. I mean, stocks love to fill gaps right there. And there's another one down here right around 163. You have a window here too. So be careful with this one, guys. I believe this was just a head fake to get all the bulls on board. Now they're slaughtering them again. Just like earnings. They had good earnings and they still cracked. Everybody sold, popped up. Now they chased it, came right back down. Big inside bar. If this does not bounce right here, you're going to have some problems with Ulta. But man, this was a great short. Hopefully someone caught it. Let's look at, we could look at Tesla really quick. They have earnings tomorrow. So you can't really play this one. You know, let's see what happens after hours, see if this thing takes off. I don't know what's going to happen with this. And right now my charts aren't working. Awesome. Everything is awesome. But now Google will pull up. Awesome. Google had a nice reversal today. You got to look out for that. Going into earnings, driving these things up. I mean, look at these weekly charts, guys. You know, they're, gosh. I mean, this thing's just going and going. This wasn't pretty good. Bad blowout, pop up, came back up right to the all-time highs. Weekly chart, though, look at this stuff. Let's see if we could close with a little topping tail. Needs to close above this high right here, around 829.81. Let's see if it could do that at the end of the week with earnings coming up and stuff like that. Just be careful with these guys. You got the high flyers like Google. You got Amazon, another high flyer. You know, another one that they're actually keeping this thing above this trend line. Look at this trend line. Got to be aware of that. Facebook's flying, Nvda, Ntes. I think they're setting them up for the kills, guys. Be careful in these markets. If the SPY dumps, it's all over for all these. I mean, look at Nvda too. Nvda, crazy. Just nuts. Come on. Stocks like this do not. Look at this move. See how it moved up here? Straight up and then boom, straight back down. I bet you they were hyping it right here too. 2008, of course, but right back down, pulls up again, right back down. Look at this. Son. It's coming, guys. It's coming, let me tell you. Ntes, same thing. Look at that thing. Holy crap. Look at Odo. That was one. That was a high flyer. Look at that one coming in. Look at Dollar General. Another high flyer coming in for landing. Look at Twlo coming in for landing. That one's just epic. Holy crap. You know some people are stuck in that one. So just be careful. That's all I'm saying. This is the high flyers. just be careful. I mean, and I still think we're filling this gap around 35 bucks or so after this big fall. I honestly, we could go back to 23 for all I know. There's just not enough on these charts. And 35, that's a pretty good area. Gap fill, 750 retrace. Just be careful on these guys. All right, that's it for tonight. I got to cut this off. I got to do a couple things. And thanks again for watching my videos. Just going through all the high flyers. Couple Aapl, CMG today a little bit down, but we're going to have a live session tomorrow, maybe around noon New York time. So come and join us, bring a symbol, let's have some fun and try to figure out which way these stocks are going. Again, thanks for watching my videos. God bless. See you on the charts.